2001 Ford E350 van. Today is 5/26/24. The tools I needed to replace the battery is 2 wing nuts here. So I just use this plier to take it out. So happens that the negative one is smaller and the positive one is bigger. And then got this Costco battery, group size 65 and 850 cold cranking amps. Then I use this wire brush to clean the terminals, clean the wing nut, both wing nut, and then the positive side of cable, top and bottom, and this surface underneath. Same on the positive, negative side. And then so happens that on this side it's 12 millimeter on the red, and then on the black negative side it was 13 millimeter. And then for that nut in the middle that holds the battery clamp, that is a 5/16 socket, and I used a deep one, and so it went down pretty good. But you notice that your tool is all flush there, so either have a very small ratchet or I use a very thin extender that went to here because the AC is blocking it. And there's my 1/4" drive there. And once you take the nut out, it's good to have a long needle nose plier to grab the bolt out, and then the piece of plastic down there, it comes out. Notice that the piece of plastic, how it's shaped, because one of the plastic groove matches this groove with the edge of the battery down there. So your battery needs to be like pretty good. It's not rocking. And so if you put that piece of stopper backwards, there will be slack and it will be moving. So make sure you see how it came out. First, you can rock your battery to see if it was solid before you even do anything. And then when you take out that piece of plastic insert, notice there's a groove on it and groove on it. And on the car side, there's a groove on it and groove on it. So put it back exactly like that. If not, you have to fiddle around. And then what I'm talking about is that groove there. That groove there, and that groove there. Lines up with the car. There's another groove on both sides. Alright, and then finally, I'm going to finish off with some battery cleaner with acid indicator. Indicator changes from yellow to pink on acid contacts, remove corrosion, reduces voltage leak, and neutralizes acid spill. So, it indicates changes from yellow to pink upon acid contact. So pink is no good, yellow is good. Okay. And so removes corrosion, reduces voltage leaks, and neutralizes acid spill. Okay, thanks for watching.